Hello guys, this is the next question in the series of previous year questions, UGC NET Microeconomics Theory of Consumers Behavior. So in this question was asked by UGC in June 2013, and in this question they have given you a utility function u is equal to function of xy. These x and y are two goods basically, and then they have given you budget constraint, and they are asking about conditions for maximization of utility. So the condition for maximization of utility is basically MRS, marginal rate of substitution, for xy is equal to px upon py. Now this is a condition, not the formula. This is a condition for utility maximizing. Now how do we calculate MRS? MRS is basically the ratio of marginal utilities of two goods, and when a function is given to us, then we can find out mu by using partial differentiation. For mux, we will differentiate this function with respect to x, the good x basically. So you can say this is delta u by delta x, and for muy we will differentiate it with respect to good y, delta u by delta y. So the answer will be this A, in which in the numerator part they have given you this delta f by delta x, and in the denominator part they have given you, sorry, this is delta f by delta x divided by delta f by delta y. So this is basically the answer of this question, option A. And if you want more detail on this topic, then please subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos on consumers behavior, theory of consumers behavior, in which I'm going to discuss all the conditions of equilibrium, the theory of demand, elasticity of demand, all types of elasticities basically. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.